A very good morning, students. We will start our fifth chapter, periodic classification of elements. Today I have taken a Zoom classes also. In that also I have studied the same things, give the lecture of same topic. So in a Dobbin state, what they are saying, when elements are arranged in the order of the increasing atomic mass, group of three elements having similar chemical properties are obtained. Means it says three elements are taking place. What we will do, first and the third element we will do the sum of it and divide by 2. When the sum we will do and divide by 2, for the top what the thing is coming, that is the second one part. Okay, let's see in the example the alkali metal here we have taken. In this alkali metal we are using here lithium, sodium and potassium. So lithium and potassium, like 7 plus 39 we will do 7 plus 39, it coming as 46. 46 divided by 2, it is coming as 23. You can see here also atomic mass is 7 plus 39 divided by 2, it is 46 upon 2, 23. Means is this, the when we will do the sum of first and the third one, the second one automatically came the same value, that is 23. Sometimes approx value may also become as a 23.5, 24, or it may came as 22.5, 22. That is also be correct. Next we are taking as alkaline earth metal. In this one, calcium, strontium, barium we have taken. 40, 88, 137. 40 plus 137 we will do and divide by 2, it is coming as 88.5. But 88.5, I said to you exceptional cases there, so 88 is present here, so this is also be correct. After this we are using here chlorine, bromine, iodine. In a chlorine, bromine, iodine, it is 35.5, 80, 127. So 35.5 plus 127 divided by 2, it is coming as 81.2. Here it is 80, it is coming here is 81.2. It means the approximate value is coming. So this is also be the correct. This is of the halogen group. Okay, understood, students? Are you hearing to me? After this, of the halogens, the Doudna state. Then next, in a Doudna state, what the proper definition they have said? In a proper definition they have said, when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, group of three elements having similar chemical properties are obtained. The atomic mass of the middle element is equal of the trait equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the other two elements. Now understood by the examples, this we have do the plus of these two and divide by 2, it comes as this one. So the middle one, the value is coming as same also, it may coming as approx also, it may taken as halogen groups, alkaline groups and alkylite groups also we have taken. Okay, so here the limitations also given of the dominant state. Please write down these things in a copy. Now next we are using here Newland's law of octave. Now what is the position of the Newland's law of octave? Has said, Newland has said that the first element, that is hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the eighth element will come here. Then again you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 7. Again eighth will come here. So what they are saying what is the properties and other things of the first one, hydrogen, the same properties of the eighth one. Like fluorine having the same properties chlorine will have. In this one also lithium having the same properties, this full line will having the same properties. All here, all having the same properties, but in this one what they want to say, what is the value, what is the properties of the hydrogen is same the properties of the eighth element. Which one is coming as a eighth element? The same as a fluorine. Same in this one also we will count, then here chlorine is become a eighth element, then it also having the same property. So what they are saying, the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass. The properties of eighth element are a repetition of the property of the first element. This was given by the Newland law of octave. Now they have given some limitations also. These are the limitations of Newland's law of octave. Write down in your copy. After the Newland's law of octave, the important is Mendeleev periodic table. Today I have explained in the Zoom classes also, given by 1869 by the Mendeleev, but Mendeleev was failed to give this. They have given the two things, 7 periods in 8 groups. Vertical columns will come in a 8 groups. Horizontal row will come in a periods. Okay, so you can see here the periods, but they are failed to explain the various things. Here are the merits of, they have failed. Merits means they have given existence of elements that had not been discovered at that time, not able to explain. Next is their position in the periodic table. Means when they have discovered the element, then they give putting on another places. They are not putting on a sequence wise according to the atomic masses, they are not putting, so that's why they are fail. Now next, they are not giving the position of the hydrogen properly. They cannot explain about the isotopes of chlorine 35 and 37. These things also Mendeleev has done. Fine. After the Mendeleev, he cannot give the correct, could not assign hydrogen in the periodic table. Means he was very confused that it will come on a first one side or it will come on a last one side, it will come on a medium. So these the properties was given by the Mendeleev periodic table. So this till Mendeleev periodic table write down. After that we will do the next topic. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.